Good afternoon, friends. Myself Prakash, and I am here to give you some brief note on the topic football or the sports in India. As the India is a very vast country and different types of regions and peoples live there also. So there are many interests in many other sectors and also. So for the look on the sports, India is having many major goals in like hockey, cricket or football. So one of my main important sports is football. As in India, football is not much popular, but still he is having the place. Like our Indian national teams, the Sunil Chhetri, he is the top 3 goal scorers in the world. And the first place is of Ronaldo, second is of Messi, and third is of Sunil Chhetri. But as at present, he has been retired. So and he has also represented the ISL team. That's it. The ISL league stands for Indian Hero India Super League, which is mainly for the promotion for the football from different states also, like Kerala Blasters, Mumbai City FC, Hyderabad City FC also. Like Sunil Chhetri has played for the Hyderabad, and when he started playing at the age of 16, and he mainly comes from the defense family. And the first main thing that he was when he was